So guys, in today's video, I am telling you how to build the password authentication using Python. So see this video start to end, and if you like this video, so first of all, like this video, share friend, and subscribe to my channel and all the notification bell also. And please access my Python playlist also and bookmark it also. So now I will be not take you a long time. So let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's video, I am telling you how to build a very beautiful password authentication using Python. So now let's see how to build it. So now first of all, we are using a one type of text editor. Its name is Visual Studio Code. And if you don't have Visual Studio Code, so let me tell you how to download it and how to use it. So first of all, you will be on to the Google interface like this. In that type of interface of Google you are in. So in Google search bar, you write here Visual Studio Code download. If you write like here, so first option is come like Visual download Visual Studio Code of Mac, Linux and Windows. So I click onto the first link. When I click onto the first link, it's saying what type of you are download on Windows, Linux or Mac, or maybe on Mac, so you download on Mac. You are on Linux, you download on Linux. If you are on Windows, so you download on Windows. I am on Windows, so I already downloaded, so I don't downloaded it another time. Okay, so now first of all, I will be open my Visual Studio Code. And now I will be open a new window. New window means new Visual Studio Code. Then I go on to the new file. Here I will write like password authentication.py. And you are thinking why we write like .py. Py means Python. If you don't write like py, so your Python file will be not built. That's why I am telling you write .py. Now create file. Now when I will be create file, here I will be write like first of all import get pass. And now enter press. Now we write like here data, then base. Database I will be write slash. Then here I am writing like double commas. In double commas, here I am writing like aman dot not here I am writing like rayan dot bake. Here you can write like your name or anything. Okay, it is your own choice. Now here I am thinking like password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now comma. Now here I am writing like dot Rayan Khan. Rayan.Khan. Now here I am writing like that. Then double commas like 6 5 4 3 2 1. Now we write like there. Now we write like here user name. Then slash. Then here we can writing like input. Then here I am writing like here I am writing double commas, enter your user name. Sorry, username. Yeah. Then space. Then another time we can give the space. So here we can write like 6 5 4 3 2 1. It will giving error in here. What type of error? Let me see it. Like double commas, like Ryan, like comma. So sorry, here we can go on to the here. We write like that. Now 6 5 4 3 2 1. And now enter. Now we write like here password slash password. I'm giving like get pass dot get pass. Now when you write like this, so you write like here like that, and then you define it what double commas. Then you write like here enter your password. Then you do like that. Now we write like here for, and for I should be in small, then I, then in, then database. Then when you write like that, then you write like dot keys. Then like that, then you write like that. Then you write like here if username, and then you write like slash slash, and then you write like 1. Sorry, 1 not I. Then you write like here while password. Then we write like that. Then we write like database. So it'll be dot get. Then you write like that. Then I. Then do like that. Now we write like password slash get pass dot get pass. Then we write like here easily as enter your password again and then enter. Then here we can write like break and print. And if you don't know what are while loop, so go on to my channel and go on to my Python playlist. I will tell you all thing on this playlist of while loop and all thing. Okay, now we write like print verified. Now what you can do, you go on to the command prompt. Go on to the command prompt and you write like here pip install get pass. Then enter press. Now it will be installing. Like let's see it. It will be installed. Now it will giving like I could not find version that certifies get pass. Like pip install pass. Let's see it. Like pass is installing like that. Now here we can write like easily as we go pip install get pass. Now it will be download. Now we can go on to the Visual Studio Code, save from here and run from here. So now here you can see this kind of like enter your username. Enter my username is Rayan.bake. Then enter the password. I am entering my password 1 2. Now here you can see it. When I enter my password, then I will press enter. So it will saying verified. Here you can see it. If here you can see it, it is saying verified. Now we can give like that. Then that, so it is saying verified. Here you can see it is very easily. Yes, in today's video I tell you about how to build a password authentication using Python. And in this video it is very simplest video. I will be tell you to how to build a password authentication using Python. And password authentication is a process of checking the identifier of a user. Almost every online platform today's makes sure that they only give access to the real user, which can be only possible by you asking for password while a user wants to log in the account. So in this article I will take through the task of password authentication using Python. What is password authentication? If you don't know what is password authentication system, so let me tell you. A password authentication system is a system that is used for identification of a user. Think of it like a login screen that you while logging in your Facebook account, it asks for your email or a username and then it asks for your password. If you have entered the correct password, then it verifies you as the real user. Creating a logic basic password authentication system is also a popular question in the coding interviews. Okay, so in the section below I will take you through how to create a password authentication system using Python. Password authentication using Python. To create a password authentication system using Python, I have to follow the steps mentioned below. So first of all, you create a dictionary of user with their password. Then you have to ask for user input and user input. Like I will tell you all things. That's why I'm not telling you the summary. So in this video, how we can authenticate the identifier of a user by using the Python programming language. Now you can try the same logic with more usernames and other structures. Also, I hope you like this article on how to create a password authentication system using Python. Feel free to ask your valuable question in comment section below. Okay, so now here you can see in today's video I will be telling you how to build the password authentication using Python very easily. If you enjoy this class, so please like this video, share friends and subscribe to my channel and go on to my channel. And my channel name is by the name of Code with PK. My channel name is Code with PK. Go on to there Code with PK. Search my channel by the name of Code with PK and subscribe it and all the notification bell. Then go on to the playlist and access my Python playlist and bookmark it also and see my all videos of Python also. Okay, and now I'll meet you next class and next very amazing class of Python tutorial or Python project maybe. But okay, and please tell me in comment section below what type of big video we will be uploading and what type of projects we will be uploaded in this week. Tell me. And now onwards I will be tell you one more thing, like 3 project come and 1 tutorial will come. Okay, so now I will meet you next class and next very amazing class. For today, goodbye.